Chapter 6: Restoring Energy in the World with Our Best Effort. When we look at what is missing in our world as far back as decades and centuries ago, there has been a lot of energy lost that created a severe energy gap. To try and quickly fix the problems, we are challenged because the severe energy gap causes deficiency, so the negative energy keeps accumulating, which accelerates the speed of destruction. To reverse the situation, we must start with bringing back energy. What is the best solution for severely imbalanced energy? After analyzing and experimenting, blessing is the most effective remedy. Here is why. When we are in the resonance of blessing, our energy can be uplifted a lot easier, and our energy can affect the environment, which makes our dream for a peaceful world an achievable goal. Implementing blessing is the key to receive positive energy from blessing. Implementing blessing will help us resonate with the universe to increase positive energy and create an invisible protective shield. When we are benefited from blessing and at the same time sending blessings to others, there will be even more blessings returning to us. If we want to grasp this wisdom of a self-protection remedy to better ourselves, we must send many blessings out and immerse ourselves in the blessing energy. Therefore, all the blessings will return to us, and we will have the greatest blessings. In this way, our wise decision actually brings us the greatest rewards of blessing. When we realize how wonderful blessing is, we will vigorously invite more people to try. The mission for the Super Life Secret Codes system is resonating in love, connecting with gratitude, and elevating in blessing. Besides blessing ourselves, we want to bless others with abundance, so that everyone blesses all people, events, and objects to generate harmony in order to restore and repair the broken parts and fill the severe energy gap. If we can balance the energy on Earth, this will be a blessing to all.